I'm going to show you how to turn a headlight and make it look like almost a piece of glass. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is wipe thinner on it. Okay, and what that does, you can see how it gets all the residue out of here like this. Okay, so you just do it a few times. Even acetone might even work. So you can do that. And then what I'm going to have here, this is just compound. You can buy it anywhere at your local car store, I guess. And I'm just going to wipe it on there with a paper towel like this. Okay, little circles are great. Then what you're going to do is you're going to let that sit there just for a second. Now I'm going to take a little buffer, and you're just going to buff this whole thing until you cannot see the compound anymore. You can do it for a while. This is probably me doing it for about, I don't know, maybe 30-40 seconds. I'm just trying to do this as quick as possible for you. And then what we're going to do is we are going to place some ceramic coating on it. Okay, this stuff is awesome. You're just going to leave it on there just for a few minutes, and then we're going to start wiping it off right here. Look at this. Wow, just like I said earlier, almost like a piece of glass. Now, this will not work on all the headlights, but hey, it's worth a shot. You don't have nothing to lose, right? Unless you're ready to go buy a new headlight. So there you go. Hope it helped you.